Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thought I'd just do a short video of what happened last night. I decided to try and fit BT cable through the roof of the internet for my office. Anyway, I measured out where the pipework may have been and drilled a hole without taking it out and seeing where the pipework was. So assuming that I'd got it correct, drilled a hole and I hit the pipe. So panic stations, switched off the water, took the floorboard out, and I just nicked the pipework. So what I did was switched off all the water, cut the bit out and put a coupler in, which worked out pretty well. If I'd gone any further towards the bend, I probably would have had to replace the pipe from downstairs up. But anyway, bought the coupler, had the solder in and soldered it in. I'll give you a close up. The coupler that I used had solder in it already in there. So all you had to do was just apply the flux, clean the pipe, apply the flux, and then put the coupler through. And then just heat the pipe work up, and it all worked. Got it fitted, as you can see. There we go. So it's a valid lesson learned. Never assume anything. Just make sure you dig deeper to find out where everything is. I know I've learnt my lesson. Learning how to solder copper piping has actually paid off. Moral of the story is, never assume anything. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up and subscribe.